This is a great version of how to give yourself a very safe and effective lower back stretch, and is particularly suitable for anyone who cannot get down onto the floor for whatever reason. So, seated on your choice of bench, chair, and with some fairly high stack of maybe dictionaries, books, whatever you have to hand, already placed between your legs. Wide legs. Everything is smooth, it flows slowly and think glacial pace. Very much breathe, okay? You are lowering yourself slowly using your hands, and for some of you that may be your limit to what the flexibility is, more perhaps across the buttocks rather than lower back. If that is the case, just pause there, relax your head and remain there, and then breathe, relax, stay there 30 seconds, 1 minute is better, and to come back up, put one hand at a time on your legs and use your arms to come back up. For those of you that can easily go further, the point is easily, you will need this stack of books I've already put here. Exactly the same rules apply. It's smooth, it's slow, you're taking time to check in with this area that everything is smooth, is happy, and once you've gone to perhaps your limit, place one hand at a time on your chosen books and relax your head and neck. Essentially, you are aiming to eventually get your body either on your thighs or between them. Rest there, relax completely, especially the shoulders, back of the neck. Let the head hang down. Breathe. Once you've done 3, 4, 5 breaths, place one hand on the leg. Do not move the other until you've put your weight onto that knee. Then transfer the other. And as before, use your arms to smoothly, slowly take yourself back up to sitting. It takes time to remove a book or two. Don't be in a rush, but it is one of the best you can get for the lower back. Now we're going to concentrate more on the hamstrings, still in the same position. Take one foot out with a bent knee. Using both hands on the non-stretching leg, lower yourself smoothly and slowly to the point that you cannot take that stretch any further. It may be you can rest onto your thigh. It may be you need a cushion in between so that you are able to relax. Once you're there, breathe, stay there about 30 seconds minimum, a little bit longer if you can, and using both your hands, which are still on your knees, smoothly and slowly use those arms to come back up. And then obviously we are looking at the other leg. So demoing on the other leg, this knee is bent, these toes are off the floor, and my weight is just slightly onto that thigh. I'm going to smoothly and slowly lower my body, only to the point that it is doable, stayable, breathable. If you can get your body all the way onto the thigh, fantastic, but for most of you, there needs to be a cushion in between so you can relax and then let the head relax. Stay there and breathe, and I would really recommend
30 seconds to a minute minimum, and the same rule applies. Push off your hands, walk one arm at a time, continually using those arms to come back up. See how you get on with that. Give yourself 6 weeks to 2 months before you progress.